Hello to all the ZAT 2017 aspirants. The registration for the ZAT exam have just begun, and here is a quick guide to how to register for ZAT 2017 and fill its form. But before we start, here is an important list of dates which you must know. Please note that the format of ZAT 2017 would remain pen-paper based. The paper pen mode also ensures that all candidates are tested on exactly the same set of questions and not on different sets. To register for ZAT, visit zatonline.net.in and click on Apply tab on the homepage. The website will display a registration process flowchart which shows you all the 5 steps of the process. Then click on Apply Now below the flowchart. On the next page, click on Register. You will need to click on Login only in case if you have already registered. Then you will be directed to Create New Account. Here, you need to fill in your personal valid email ID. Then, you need to create your own password by typing it twice. You will later be allowed to log in with the ZAT ID and your own created password when you visit the next time. Then click on Create New Account. You will then receive a unique ZAT username and registration link on your registered email ID. Click on the link sent on your mail. The link will direct you to the next page where you need to complete your profile. Fill in your name as on your Class 10 certificate and your valid mobile number. You also need to select the test city. You must keep a passport size scanned photo of yours and also a photo of your signature as they need to be attached and uploaded. Click Save to move to next page, which is online application. Select your citizenship, that is Indian, foreign or NRI. If you are interested to apply for XLRI, select the program of your choice, that is Business Management, Human Resource Management or General Management program. Candidates not interested in any of the XLRI programs can skip this step. Candidates who wish to apply to the General Management program must have a total experience of 5 years till March 31st, 2017. The basic application fee for Indian nationality is INR 1600. Each XLRI course is charged an additional fee of INR 300. The basic application fee for NRI and foreign nationality is INR 3400. And for each XLRI course, an additional fee of INR 1600 is charged. Fill all your preliminary information such as name, date of birth, gender, father's name, mother's name, category and phone number, etc. Choose your category and click Yes if you're a Kashmiri migrant. Click Yes in case of a visual handicap. Provide your mailing address and also your permanent address. Provide your educational qualification from class 10th onwards. Post-graduation and other qualification details will be asked if you click Yes. Provide details of work experience starting from your latest job. Work experience is to be considered only if it is after graduation. Recheck all the information filled by you and then click on I agree. Select mode of payment. There are 3 possible modes of payment. Mode 1. Online payment gateway, which is through Visa, MasterCredit or debit cards. American Express card is inadmissible. IDBI Net Banking. This option is available only for IDBI account holders. Mode 2. Cash payment. Please take a printout of the ZAT pay-in slip and visit the nearest IDBI bank and make the payment. Mode 3. Demand draft. Please make a DD made from any bank in favor of XLRI Jamshedpur account ZAT, payable at Jamshedpur. Send confirmation page and the demand draft to the Chairperson Admission, XLRI, Circuit House Area, Jamshedpur. The same must be sent within 15 days from the issuance of the demand draft. An important note: applicant paying through Mode 2 and 3 should update the payment details in the registration page. Print the ZAT confirmation page in future for all correspondence with ZAT office. Quote your ZAT ID. If you have made the payment other than demand draft, you should not send the confirmation page. Depending on your selection of mode of payment, you will be proceeded to check out. Download the admit cards from 20th December 2016 onwards on zatonline.net.in. Candidates applying through GMAT may also do so by following instruction given on www.exceleri.ac.in. College Dekho wishes all the very best to all ZAT 2017 aspirants.